What's up, guys? Today taking a look at a little project that I'm gonna do. So if you didn't watch the video, the camera I'm shooting on is a Sony. It's crapping out. Can't find a good one. The 4K one and Amazon suck dick. And all I need to do is buy a little tripod, and I got to get a different mic. There is something wrong with the Movo too, but with that said, it does sound better on the cell phone because I tried the Movo on the cell phone, so it sounds better. You get one of those little tabletop tripods, okay? And what we're gonna do, you got a quarter 20 here. You're gonna screw this on this way, and then when you get the one with the ball end that has the little screw facing up, and then it falls this way, you're gonna need a quarter 20. And you could use a drill. I'm going to use a lathe, and I'll show you that in a minute. We're going to cut that off with a hacksaw and then file it and then run that nut over so you don't cross thread this because this is brass. You can also chuck a drill and, you know, cut that the same way I'm going to do. And then what we're going to do is screw this phone shoe on the top. It's going to flip this way. But this part now will be sitting, so you'll have your phone in there like this, and I'll show you this after I'm done. We're going to put this in here like so. You're going to remove that part. Then we're going to take whatever external mic, and we're going to put that little, it looks just like that, quarter 20, and we're going to screw that on to here. And there's your mount, so you don't have to go buying one of those phone kits with the rails and all of this shit. You could save yourself some money. Alright, so you could see I got that chucked in there. You do the same thing with the drill. Then you're going to take the handsaw, turn it off, or turn it on, and then we're just going to cut the head of that bolt off. So once you got that cut off, we're going to take a file, and we're going to kind of round it over. Alright, so you can see what I did. I just came in and I filed that flat, and then I just chamfered it a little bit. Now we'll take that nut here, take it out of the chuck, and probably screw on this way. Yeah, see? You do it right, it's good. Now, we got our little adapter. Alright, so you're gonna need the nut too, because this hole over here, and even the one in the back, goes all the way through. So you're going to line that up. We're going to screw that in there. And the purpose for the nut is so this part of the bolt don't touch the camera and ruin your, well, actually not your camera, your phone, so don't ruin it. Okay, so now you could see how much is sticking out there. Now you see this, that's where the Movo or whatever mic you're going to use, we're going to screw that onto there. So once you got that screwed on there, and that is parallel, now we'll take it and we'll put it on the tripod. Okay, so now mind you, this tripod isn't small, but it functions nevertheless the same. So all I did was put the phone in here, and if we take a look at the tripod, all I did is use the thumb screw and I tighten that up. And I mean, you can move the mic directional if you want. And you just saved yourself a shitload of money. I mean, you turn this whatever way you wanna, and then you have your phone, hit record, boom, done. No phone, camera kit, no nothing.